Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making chicken shawarma at home, a perfect street style favorite made easily in your kitchen. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well and make a soft dough. Shawarma is a popular Middle Eastern street food. Different countries have their own shawarma style. Rub some oil and keep aside to rest. Rest the dough properly for soft bread. Now take 1 cup chicken pieces. Add 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now cook in a pan on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Traditionally, meat is slow roasted on a vertical speed. Now keep aside. Now take the dough. Roll it and cut into round shape. Cook the flatbread in a pan on medium heat. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Flip and cook for 2 minutes more. Cook bread on medium heat for even texture. For the filling, mix 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, one-fourth cup cucumber, 1/4 cup tomato, and 2 tablespoon onion. Chicken is a great source of protein. Homemade shawarma is healthier than street food. Now take the flatbread, cut in the middle. Vegetables add fiber and vitamins. You can control oil and spices easily. Add cooked chicken and the creamy veggie mixture. Flatbread wraps make it easy to eat on the go. Your homemade chicken shawarma is ready. Your delicious chicken shawarma is ready. Serve fresh and enjoy every bite. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy and tasty recipes.